The next menu on the menu bar is text, and I've pretty much already gone over all of this in previous videos. The font size, convert to outlines, how to load a font file, and a font preview. And I will say that I find myself really liking this font preview menu because I can see a lot of fonts all at once and choose which one I want easier than looking at them anywhere else other than really the library. The library does work well as well, but I do like the font preview. Alright, so that's it for the text menu.